Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tutorial. My name is Stephanie and I'm the creative behind my prints collection. On today's tutorial we are going to learn two techniques to create a 3D cut effect on your lettering. If you like this kind of tutorials and want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll be sharing a brand new Procreate tutorial every Tuesday. So without further ado, let's jump into those two techniques to create this amazing 3D cut effect on your lettering. Let's open the Procreate app, click on the plus sign, new canvas. Let's go with the screen size. I have mine already ready to go here. I'm going to use a monoline brush to the size, sounds good. And I'm gonna draw my lettering, which I'm going to use the quote next level. So let me see, have a new layer and let's start drawing my quote. So I'm gonna show you two techniques to create this 3D cut effect. Let's go with the first one. So I'm gonna go to my layers. Under this layer, I'm gonna go with an orange color. Let's go and select orange, like a light orange, lighter probably. Okay, and then I'm gonna go to my lettering layer, duplicate it twice. This layer on top will be a darker orange. Let's select and click fill layer. Okay, this works. And I'm gonna keep this one black and I'm gonna use this one. Actually, I'm gonna color it as white. Okay, good. Let's go here, select and hit fill layer. Okay, so with my black layer, what I'm gonna do is select and drag it to my top left. Tap, 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 tap. Okay, like this. And then I'm gonna do the same with my white layer, but the other way around. To my bottom and to my right. So tap, tap, tap. Okay. So now with my black layer, with my orange layer, I'm gonna select and go to my black layer and click clear. I'm gonna repeat the same process with my white layer, clear. So I'm gonna move my black layer on top of my orange layer and I'm gonna make sure that I align the black outline with my orange one. So like this. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create a clipping mask. I'm gonna go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, and increase a little bit, like this. I can move this a little bit more. Okay. So, and now I'm gonna do the same with my white layer. Increase a little bit. If I want to move it a little bit, there you go. And then I'm gonna probably reduce a little bit my opacity, depends on your background, and then this one as well. So this is the first technique that you can use to create a 3D cut effect. There's another way that I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna unselect these gonna actually move it here. So repeat the same process. Have your background with a lighter color that you choose, and then you use a darker color on your lettering. I'm just gonna eyedrop, select this, and make sure that I erase all these black outlines. Okay, so basically you have your background with a lighter color. You can go with blues, with greens, pinks, whatever, and then add on top of it your lettering kind of the same color but a little bit darker. What you're gonna do is you're gonna duplicate this layer twice, so you have 3 layers. On the bottom one you're gonna hit lighten and screen. The middle one you're gonna hit multiply, and then so let's select the bottom one, which was we've changed the layer to screen mode, and we are gonna decrease a little bit. So we are gonna tap down and to the left, to the right. So tap, 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 tap. You can see this white outline already. And then we are gonna go to the middle one, which is multiply, and we are gonna do the inverse. So we are gonna select, move to the top and your left. So tap, 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 and you start noticing this outline. Okay, great. So now what we are gonna do is select this middle one, move it on top of your lettering. So before that, select your top layer, hit on the middle one and click clear, and then move the middle layer on top of your lettering. And what we are going to do is align this outline with this color over here, this layer over here. So okay, kind of try to align. Okay, this is good. So what we are going to do is create a clipping mask, and we are going to use Gaussian blur and increase a little bit, like, let's go with this, and then the bottom layer, go to Gaussian blur and increase a little bit, like this. And okay, so we've created this. What you can do is decrease the opacity a little bit. And there you go. I've showed you 2 techniques to create this cool 3D cut effect on your lettering. If you like this tutorial, or if you want to see other ones like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel. See you soon, and happy drills!